everyone, my name is Sofia and today I'm going to have an interview with Dr. Amit Jarawal. Our topic is going to be piles. Welcome, doctor.
Thank you, Sofia.
So could you please tell us what is piles exactly?
Piles or hemorrhoids are blood vessels around smooth muscles of anal area. But pathologically, piles are a bunch of vessels and tissue in anal area.
And what causes piles?
Exact reasons behind piles are not clear yet, but there are a lot of risk factors like sedentary lifestyle, chronic constipation, pregnancy, obesity, etc. And low fiber diet is also an important cause.
Is this a rare condition?
No, in fact it is one of the most important cause of anorectal bleeding, and 1 in 20 people they do get piles any time of their life.
And what are the symptoms?
Symptoms of pile may vary from mild symptoms like itchiness around anal area to fullness to more severe symptoms like bleeding during defecation to some mucus discharge during defecation, etc.
So is a severe cutting pain during defecation can be one of the symptoms?
Yes, it is one of the most important cause of symptom of piles.
And how will you confirm whether you have a pile or not?
The diagnosis of piles is usually made by a physician with the symptoms told by you to physician, and thereafter examination by physician is done. A back pass method is usually done, and even if it's not possible to make diagnosis, then a procedure called proctoscopy is done.
Is this examination long and painful?
No, it's not a long, and it usually takes 5 to 10 minutes and not very much painful.
And where are the different grades of pile?
Depending upon prolapse of vessels, there are 4 grades of piles ranging from 1 to 4. In grade 1 there are no prolapse of vessels, and in grade 2 and grade 3 there is prolapse of vessels with the stain, and in grade 4 even without stain there is prolapse of vessels.
So if I have piles, what are the available treatments?
Usually grade 1 or grade 2 piles, they can resolve by their own by simple dietary and lifestyle changes. In grade 3 and grade 4 you may need some topical treatments or some surgical treatments like sclerotherapy, cauterization or banding, etc.
Can I have a laser treatment?
Yes, it is a newer and trending technique of treating piles. In it we surgeons, they do cauterization of swollen blood vessels, and thereby there is a minimal bleeding and a quick healing time.
And is there any cream or some pills what I can use instead of this?
Yes, there are topical creams for pain and some steroidal cream to decrease the inflammation in the area.
Should I be avoiding some foods like chicken?
Yes, even after the treatment, the recurrence of piles is very common. So dietary and lifestyle changes are very important even after the treatment. So that's why you need to take more of fibers and less of chicken and other things.
And is this condition serious?
No, it's not very much serious. Normally whenever blood comes in defecation, the first fear comes in mind is of cancer, which is a little dangerous thing, but piles is very common and easily treatable disease.
Can you recommend us any herbal treatment for piles?
Yes, there is a combination of various herbal remedies under the label of ACA, Piles Herbal Kit. It can help us in decreasing the symptoms and both decreasing in recurrence of piles.
And what is the duration of this treatment?
Usual duration of treatment is 3 to 6 months, but in severe cases we may take it for a longer time.
And does it have any side effects?
No, herbal remedies usually don't have any side effect. They are usually our day-to-day ingredients in different concentration only, so they don't have any side effects.
It's good to hear. So, doctor, thank you so much for joining us today and giving us so much information about piles. Now we know how much herbal treatments can help us out. If you would like to receive this treatment, you can order it from our website or contact us at the below mentioned number.